Looking for the ultimate blender that can crush ice, make hot soups, nut butters, and smoothies all in one? Today, we're counting down the top 5 Vitamix blenders, from high-end powerhouses to budget-friendly all-rounders. All product links are in the description below. If you want the ultimate all-rounder, the Vitamix A3500 stands at the top. It combines raw power with smart technology. 5 preset modes for smoothies, soups, frozen desserts, dips, and self-cleaning. With its metal base, touchscreen controls, and wireless self-detect containers, this one truly feels future-ready. Pros: premium build, smart presets, quiet motor, 10-year warranty. Cons: high price. Some users may never use all the features, so it could be overkill. Why on list? Best overall performance plus modern features make it unbeatable for most users. The Vitamix 750 delivers professional-level blending with pre-programmed settings and a powerful 2.2 HP motor. It's perfect for big families or anyone who loves meal prepping. From hot soups to frozen margaritas, it handles it all easily. Pros: presets plus manual control, quieter operation, big jar. Cons: still pricey, heavy. Why on list? Powerhouse for large servings with preset convenience. The Vitamix 5200 is a classic that's been around for years, and for good reason. Its tall 64-ounce jar and manual variable speed control let you create any texture, from silky smoothies to thick nut butter. No fancy screens here, just raw, dependable blending power. Pros: proven reliability, easy repairability, excellent texture control. Cons: louder than newer models. Tall jar may not fit under low cabinets. Why on list? Legendary Vitamix performance that still beats many modern blenders. The Ascent X2 bridges the gap between premium and value. It offers variable speed control, digital timer, and full compatibility with Vitamix's Smart Prep food processor attachment, making it a versatile 2-in-1 kitchen machine. Pros: smart features at moderate price, works with attachments, sleek design. Cons: fewer presets than A3500. Why on list? Perfect mix of smart tech and affordability for modern kitchens. On a tighter budget but still want real Vitamix power, the E310 Explorian is your gateway. Its 48-ounce container is ideal for small to medium batches, and its 10-speed control lets you have that signature Vitamix texture without the premium price. Pros: affordable entry, compact, same motor design as high-end models. Cons: smaller capacity, louder at max speed. Why on list? Delivers true Vitamix power and texture at the lowest cost. When choosing your Vitamix, think about batch size, features, and budget. If you need presets and luxury features, A3500 or 750. For manual control and reliability, go with the 5200. And if you're just starting out, the E310 Explorian gives you everything you need for daily use. Thanks for watching. Links to all blenders are in the description below. Which Vitamix is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more kitchen gear reviews.